Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorials, I'm going to show you how to view Instagram Reels in high quality. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to enhance the Reels high quality or Reels quality, all we need to do is to enhance the data saving or the data quality from our settings. So simply go to your profile here, and after that, all we need to do is just to click on these three horizontal lines. And basically after that, we will be able to start enhancing the quality. So just go here, and after that, we will need just to go to how you use Instagram. You will find how who you can see your content section, and what we are interested in is your app in the media section. And basically here you will find your device permissions, archiving and downloadings, and basically here we want data usage and media quality. We click on this one, and of course this one concerns only uploading. So whenever you add content, you make sure that you upload it into the highest quality, and the one that we want is to watch reels on high quality. And basically there are two ways. Either you can make sure that data saver is disabled, or you can have it enabled and make some exceptions. If you want to, for your cellular network to have data saver mode on, so you will need to click on Wi-Fi only, so you can have the highest quality on only your Wi-Fi's network, and your cellular won't have Wi-Fi. Or you can also add them both, and as you can see, high resolution media, and basically you can have them like this, and you will have your content that will be on highest resolution. So thank you for watching and see you next time.